Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna venture a daring forecast. I humbly believe that we have these two strong forces. Elections day today, right? And just like there are very two strong forces in the political arena, also right here in the economic landscape, bull and bear. So so the market is really twisted, but I'm gonna go out of my league here. I'm gonna make a forecast. I believe that the market is gonna go up, and then I will know when it's done going up, and then it's gonna recoil, and it's on its way back down. The when we are short, when we are shorting resistance, our job is to let it ride all the way to the low, expect a break, and a continuation all the way to 57.25. I'm gonna write it here in a little while. Okay, that's our objective for the bearish play. All right, and right now, right, this bounce right here, bulls in control, and the test of the high, break, and a continuation to 767. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so far so good, right? So our prediction a couple of minutes ago when the price was right here at 50, 51 is that first it's gonna go up, it's gonna break the high, which is this one 55 right here. It's gonna dance around the the Globex high 50A. Eventually it's gonna break it like it's doing it right now, and it's on its way to 67. And at 67, we'll pretty good, right? I can believe that we nailed the open on election day. All right, so that's 62, right? So it's all recorded. It's all right there. I said that I was going to make a prediction that is out of my league, Mystique.
You did. You did.
Out of my league. All right, if this is out of my league.
When in your
All right, so pretty good, right? All right, so 67, ladies and gentlemen. All right, stop break even, start trailing, and I will know when the up move is going to be over, and then we're going to be looking to short. And of course, we're going to look for counter trend shorts at every single one of our levels of resistance. Okay, like we always do every single day. Is that 67, Mystique?
That's correct.
I believe it is, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is only target one. Pretty good, right? So we had a razor sharp entry counter trend short that took the price all the way to 63. So we made an additional 4 points in 4 seconds. And like as usual, we get out 3 times. So let's see what target 2 is for our main play long right here, 50, 51, right? Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 75 is not target 2, but it's a by way of. So I'm expecting, as long as the main play is running, a continuation from here from 67 to 75. Okay, it's a 2-point range, 75, 77, so mid-range, 76. And we all know the market is dynamic, so 77, we're gonna make a target. It's a target 2 now, all right? So it's an official take profit and a counter trend consideration. So in other words, let's see if we make 100 our target 3. So the main play is still long. Our entry here 50, 51, target 1, 67, target 2, 77, and target 3, 800 is a psychological level and it's dynamic. We're gonna be changing it more, less. We have to see how the market develops. So our system says that target 3 is 96, and of course everybody knows 800 is right there, right? It's a psychological level. Even the teenagers on YouTube know that's a psychological level of resistance, right? All right, so we as professional traders, right, we've known all the time that we were not going to hesitate in counter trending short, right? Okay, so we know this is all area of counter trending short. So what is the hard stop for the main play long? It's right here, this one right here, 72. 72, okay, all right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, target 3, right? Our low, right? It's 96, officially hit, so that's 45 points from our 51 entry long. That's 45 points. But remember, we have 800 around the corner, so that's 49 coins. So officially out here, this is the low of the 4-point range of target 3, of course. All right? Okay. 45 points. You're going to where?
Fully free.
All right, terrific. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. 85 is the new trail, right? So we moved it from 72 to 85. 85 is going to be a pain in the butt. The price is gonna take it, it'll go up in a clean break of 85, right? So this is target 3, right? Mid range 98. Price just went to 98.75. So this is an automatic short right here. This 98. And what do we want? We want the price to take the trail of the bull. We counter trend traders. We just made 45 points. We made 16 points on target 1, 26 points on target 2, 45 points, 45, 46, 47 point trip. We are counter trend short like we always do. This is an automatic short. And what do we want for the counter trend now that we are all out of the main play long? We want the price to take 85 because 85 is the trail and it's the hard stop for the bulls. Price takes 75. They're all going to jump ship. Okay. So once the price take 85, then our prediction before the open today that the market was going to go up and then it was going to go down. It was not going to close at the high. We'll have confirmation once 85 is destroyed. It's not going to be easy because between 85 and 72, there's going to be some. That's when the official chop begins. Time right now 10:54, almost 11. And we all know exactly what the market is doing, what it's not doing. And this is the only way that a day like today or every day that you can trade, that you can day trade the S&P 500. If it's not live, if you're gonna follow guidance from somebody, if it's not live, it's not real. All right. So repeat, just like I said, 85 price is gonna mess around with 85. And as long as 85 is not taken, then the bull's objective is to take it all the way to 20 and 30. All right. So the unit 3, target 3. Remember that we have several units in several contracts in each unit is 20 and the absolute 30. So if the price goes to 30, which we don't know, we're just gonna let it ride. As long as this bounce right here, it's working. I'm expecting a testing here of our 800, remember, our target 3. And then remember, this action right here is, I told you, it's an add to a winner. It's establish a new position long because we know that the smart money wants to go to 20 and 30. So as long as 85 is not taking, that's good odds that this is where it's going, 20 and 30. Clean break of 85, which is our new gauge, then the drop begins. Anyway, so we just made on this counter trend right here from 97 to 81, we just made 17 points in this counter trend,
Yes,
right?
we
So
did.
exactly. So add it to your to your pocket. So in other words, what makes a difference between the professional trader and the freaksties is what we do off of 85. 85 bounce, boom, main play still continues. Add to a winner, establish a new position long, expecting the price to go 800, eventually break it, and let it ride to 8 to 20, 30. It could be all day today. Break of 85, boom. Our forecast before the open is confirmed that it's gonna drop all the way. Not big deal. It's gonna drop to 72. Long story short, if it's not live, it's not real.